In this video, I will show you step by step how you can contact the support inside Mailchimp. Now, this is a very simple thing to do. The first thing we need to do once we are logged in to our Mailchimp account and we are on our homepage right here, as you can see, if we go to the bottom right hand corner, there is a little question mark. Now, if we select this, what that will do is it will bring this up right here, and then what we can do now is go to Mailchimp Assistant, or if you want to go to Help and Support, click on Help and Support. And then as you can see, there is an option now for Ask Mailchimp Assistant in the top right hand corner. Now once we click on this, it will then open up this chat window, and then it will obviously go ahead and say hello, whatever your name is, and then you can start asking the assistant whatever questions you may have. So for example is, how do I build an email marketing campaign? Click on enter, and then as you can see, the assistant will then get back to you. So then what you can do once it comes back is select the most relevant one to you, so create a campaign, and then once you do this, it will ask you several questions, and then it will talk you through the steps to obviously resolve your query. So it's just that simple, guys. That's how simple it is to contact Mailchimp support. If this video did help you out, please leave a like on today's video, and I will see you in the next one.